I just got a couple things delivered by Amazon. I really like just buying things in bulk these days. Try these and really like them, so just bought these. We've been drinking this one, really like this one, so just bought a box of 6. You know, I don't know, I've been kind of like, we've been obsessed with pad thai, so I ordered 2 packs of pad thai, just like a refill. I ran out. I just got like, just restocked some of the things that were out. I really don't like carrying pantry staples, just carrying pantry staples home. Like, it's too heavy and it's too much. I think it's way easier to just buy in bulk. So I also recently went to this, I guess, like health grocery store in LA. It's pretty new. I mean, it's actually not new, but I think this is at least like my first, you know, like kind of like a recent visit to this health store called Mother's. I got a couple of things, mostly just, you know, kind of like health wellness related. The first thing that I got is this face wash by Melora. New Zealand's Manuka honey, 300 plus MGO combined with Manuka honey 25 plus. I assume this is going to be very hydrating. You know, obviously Manuka honey, you know, it's really good just consumed. When you use it on the face, it's going to be awesome too. Concentrated like honey scent. I haven't started using this one, I just recently got it, but I'm very curious. You know, this one. Also, there are 2 bar soap. You know, I used to love this brand so much. African black soap or something, and this one, also their hair mask is really amazing. So these, they smell really amazing. This one is so Indian ham and Haitian velvet. It smells like you're on a vacation, you know. So this one is goat's milk and chai. Just smells so relaxing, so romantic. That's why I got these 2. I mean, I actually really love this company. I think they make some of the best body care products. So I got 2. This is just by the market, or you know, the store. I recently had a smoothie that has spirulina, and I was like, I used to take spirulina, but you know, I haven't been taking spirulina for a while, and I was like, maybe I should just get back to it, you know. It's not my favorite taste, to be honest, but sometimes like you will have to take the good stuff to feel good. Okay, cool. I got a great recipe because I went to the smoothie shop and the girl was telling me like the ingredient in that smoothie that I actually thoroughly enjoy. I'm gonna make my own, you know, just spirulina. Another ingredient will be this one that I also got. This is maca root powder, probiotics for easy digestion. I care so much about my gut health. That's why anything that's for easy digestion or just for gut health, I mean, I haven't been taking maca root or any of these, but in the past I have taken it. I think it's really good for overall feminine health. Those are some of the little things that I picked up from Mother's. They have really good stuff. Like, they're not that pretentious, you know, because there's so many health store or organic, you know, kind of like mid to high-end grocery store. I mean, I don't really go to the one started with the E, you know, or, you know, check them out. I think this is solid. You know, the store has so many wellness, health, and just like good everyday grocery item. That's my little pick from the store. Got some lettuce, lavender, primavera lavender, I think, and this, I don't remember the name. This is ranunculus. Got 2 different colors. chicken breast. Okay, so that's a mess back there. I recently got skincare products from this brand called 3 Ships. They sent this package to me. I am very interested, I'm very curious about this brand and got 2 products. This first one is, let me take it out first, Dream Night Cream. So bioretinol and Cheril butter. I don't really know too much about this ingredient. So the packaging is really cute, just like all paper, kind of like cardboard. The second product they sent me is a serum, Skin Hero Bioretinol Serum, Bucatol and Calendula, and I'm pretty sure it's a Canadian. Now I won't be doing a first impression skincare review because obviously when it comes to this type of products, I actually want to try them out. Thank you 3 Ships, you guys are very nice. Thank you for sending me these products. I am so excited. The lady was very nice. Her name was Brittany. Good morning. I feel like I already accomplished a number of things today, Friday. Got a car wash in, and then one thing left on the list is go to grocery store. I'm gonna get ingredients to make Cooper food. I've been feeding Cooper more homemade food, Waiting for my drink, I got a ice caramel macchiato, and that's one of my favorite drinks. But I'm just gonna wait because usually I get a hot one. Now I'm waiting for my ice one because today it's really hot. He's sitting here waiting, witnessing this guy just, seems like having an argument with whoever on the phone in his car. So I'm trying to avoid eye contact. Anyways, maybe I should try like cooking him like other stuff. Chicken. I think he will like it too. I show you like how I make his food, it's really simple and it doesn't cost that much. I'm sure people will be like, oh my god, like homemade food is like so expensive and all that. I don't think so. I think it's more like certain companies, they really want to overcharge for homemade food for dogs, The recent Super Bowl ads, one of the dog food companies, they've been pushing it really hard. I gotta admit, it almost, for a second, it got me, and I almost kind of just gave in and wanted to try their dog food. I thought about it. I can make my dog like homemade food like myself, Make it in a big batch and then freeze it. It's basically what we eat. We've been eating pretty balanced, just everything. You have all the good minerals, you good fiber, and good protein. Also a little bit carbs, so usually when I make our food, before seasoning anything, I would just kind of separate the portion for Cooper. This is broccolini chopped. I don't want to put too much like broccolini. Broccoli is really good for dogs, but broccolini you really have to do moderate amount, so I only do like 1 batch. And these are kidney beans, which is great source of fiber. I only soak like 1 cup, and these are just boiling water. There's so many ways to soak them. Just do like a power soak with like boiled water, like boiling water. And then I have boneless, skinless chicken breast. So I'm gonna sear these without seasoning, and then add the broccolini and some other veggies. I'll just go and brown. You can put broccolini and whatever veggie of your choice in there. I'm also gonna add like some frozen like carrots and green peas. Chicken can be easy shredded, 5 to 10 minutes, just high heat, remember. So I'm just gonna kind of gently break the chicken into smaller pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, I am going to cover the lid. Okay, I shredded the chicken just with the tongs a little bit. And I'm gonna add the kidney beans in there. Gently stir. You don't need to add water or anything. Just make sure it's gently stirred. Like, it's not like sitting on top. Okay. No seasoning needed. Just put it like this. And then we're gonna close the lid. Medium-high heat. Give it like 10-15 minutes. Kind of simmering. Just give it a little stir. Make sure everything, you know, kind of get cooked. You can just gently shred the chicken a little more. But the heat's gonna break down the chicken into smaller pieces. Medium-low heat for 10 minutes. So usually I would just take out the amount that's made for Cooper. I will add some turmeric, just a little bit, like 2 small teaspoons. I'm gonna add a little bit of brown pepper. Black pepper activates turmeric. Okay. I usually mix a little kibbles, whatever I still have like on hand. Cooper, you ready for Dindin? Ready for this? Good boy, boo boo. Yummy? Okay, as we can see here, bowl like clean. Delicious? Thank you. Thank you, boo boo. Thank you. Something super easy. You don't really need to like think about it. Just one pot. I put away the portion for Cooper, and now I'm just making our dinner. Okay, this is the rest. I added canned tomatoes, you know, a bunch of spice, bay leaves, and just salt and pepper. Kind of like a chili, but you know, it's like a hodgepodge. Like, you can eat this with like bread, noodles, you know, rice, whatever. It's gonna be so amazing, delicious, and healthy.